First, we have anthropometry, the study of human body measurements by understanding the size and proportions of students that support proper posture and comfort. Next is biomechanics, which examines the forces exerted by muscles and gravity on the body. Applying this knowledge helps in arranging seats and workspaces to minimize strain and prevent injuries. Then we have physiology, the study of how the human body functions. This discipline guides us in setting up environments that promote good circulation and reduce fatigue. Psychology plays a crucial role by understanding how the mind interacts with the environment. Ergonomic designs that consider psychology factors can enhance concentration and reduce stress. The field of engineering contributes by developing tools and equipment that are both functional and comfortable, ensuring they meet the physical needs of students. Lastly, physics help us understand how materials and forces interact.